Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Sravya. Today we are going to make pizza muffins. List of ingredients and quantity required are in the description box. If you like the video, click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So, let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Add finely chopped onions and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add finely chopped green chilies and let them cook until just before the onions turn brown. At this point, add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell is gone. Add finely chopped cabbage and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add finely chopped capsicum and grated carrot. I used these vegetables, but you can basically add any type of vegetables you like. We have to cook the vegetables. So, for helping them to cook, add salt and mix it. After the vegetables are half cooked, add red chili powder. Now add pepper powder, Italian seasoning and mix them in. After the vegetables are cooked for 5 more minutes, add pizza sauce. Add tomato ketchup just before switching off the flame and let the mixture cool down. After the mixture is cooled down, I added grated tofu. You can add any other toppings of pizza that are not needed to cook, like paneer, boiled sweet corn, olives, and etc. Now take a muffin mold. I used silicone muffin mold. You can use the regular paper muffin mold also and bake it in a muffin tray. Put as much as mixture you want in the muffin mold and press it into it. I took 2 heaped spoons of the mixture. Top it up with some cheese. Prepare all the muffin molds in the same way. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and place the prepared muffin molds in it. Bake it until the cheese melts and your pizza muffins are ready. Garnishing it with coriander leaves is optional. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any suggestions and video requests, write in the comment section. Try the recipe and let me know how it turned out. Happy cooking! Bye!